Hey everyone, and welcome back. Ready to build a help center in Zendesk? Let me walk you through the steps. First, go to Admin Center. Under Knowledge, click Help Center and activate it. Now, add your brand logo and colors under Settings. Create categories for broad topics like billing or technical support. Inside each category, add sections for specific areas. Click Add Article. Write a clear title and step-by-step instructions. Add screenshots if needed. In Settings, choose Visible to Everyone for public FAQs. Add labels to help with search. Preview your article, then click Publish. For faster setup, use the AI Knowledge Builder. It creates draft articles from your past tickets automatically, and that's it. Your help center is live, and customers can find answers instantly. If you build a help center, let me know your first article topic in the comments. See you in the next one.